The current scenario has changed a lot, from a simple induction to complex washing machines, from a cell phone to our high-end gadgets. Every equipment needs power supply. Due to this, there is high demand of uninterrupted power supply. To ease this, let's make inverter at home. Items required: 100 ohms, 10 watts wire wound, 15 ohms, 10 watts wire wound, 2 and 3055, power transistors, transformer, 909 volts 5 amps, automobile battery, 12 volts 10 aluminum heatsink and ventilated metal cabinet as per required size. Now it's time to assemble all items to form a PCB. Connect all resistors in a cross-coupled mode with transistors arm. Then connect those transistors with transformer. Connect one end of battery with transformer and other end with both transistors. To check connection properly, form a circuit between bulb and transformer. Once the connection is right, the bulb should glow bright. Take an aluminum sheet, drill holes for fitting the power transistors. Fix the transistors firmly onto the heatsinks with nuts bolts. Connect heatsink plus resistors plus transistors assemblage with the transformer's secondary output winding. Here PCB is ready. Place the complete PCB and transformer assembly inside the metal cabinet. Keep in mind that ventilation in the cabinet should be good. Attach input-output points including fuse holder with the cabinet and connect according to circuit. Once the circuit connection is right, the inverter is ready to go on field, otherwise recheck the connections. For more details please follow.